Everyone believes that power belongs to the loudest voice, but look carefully. The ocean never shouts, yet it shapes the shore. The sky never speaks, yet it changes every life beneath it. Maybe true power has never been found in noise. Maybe it has always lived in silence. We spend our lives trying to be heard. We explain ourselves. We defend ourselves. We argue to prove we are right. But the wisest people understand something different. Not every opinion deserves an answer. Not every battle deserves your energy. Sometimes silence says, "I know who I am, and I don't need your approval." Think about the strongest person you have ever met. Were they always talking? Or did they listen more than they spoke? Silence is not weakness. Silence is self-control. Anyone can react in anger. Very few people can stay calm when emotions become loud. That is real strength. The world is full of noise, phones, notifications, opinions, arguments. Everyone wants attention. But your greatest ideas are born in quiet moments. When the world becomes silent, your mind finally begins to speak. Silence teaches patience. It teaches observation. It teaches you to understand people without asking a single question. Words can hide the truth. Actions can be rehearsed, but silence often reveals what people are really feeling. Those who learn to observe see what everyone else misses. The next time someone insults you, pause. The next time someone misunderstands you, pause. The next time life becomes chaotic, choose silence before choosing your words. Because silence gives wisdom the chance to speak. Remember, silence is not empty. It is full of answers. The loudest voice may win an argument, but the quietest mind often wins at life. So today, don't fear silence. Learn from it.